Hi guys, today is December 8th, Wednesday. So today we took two trades, one in equity and another one in Bank Nifty. Both are long portions and both the trade went well. Our target got triggered. Let me show the portions page. You can see we have booked around 2456, out of which 455 in Nika and 2000 in Bank Nifty. So in Nika I took a long portion with 53,000 buying value. I kept 1% as risk and returns, but I could only bring 0.9% because there was a strong resistance. So I just kept my target a bit below. So we booked around 0.9% in this, and this is the usual 1%. So you can see in the orders book as well. 25 quantities and sold. And then I got another long portion Bank Nifty, but within minutes I didn't get this price. I was planned to take at 252, but in few 2-3 minutes it was having like 270 or 280. It went up to 270, so I just cancelled and waited for another setup. And the next setup we got at 1-3 long portion. Let me show in Bank Nifty chart. So Bank Nifty opened a gap up. As you can see, it was a like huge gap, like 500 points, 400 points. So also in the previous, I mean the last trading session also it was similar to this. You can see there was a gap up and there was a strong bullish momentum, and same thing happened today, gap up and strong bullish momentum. So we got the idea that today there is no point in shorting, so I stick to the trend going long. So it was facing rejection at these levels, which is 37 200. So 37 200 was having a strong sellers zone. So what I planned was I was just instead to, I mean, after breakout, instead of waiting till breakout like this and then taking for long portion, I just thought of taking before, if in case if I got any breakout. So I got a breakout. So this was my breakout. It was facing resistance here, and once it got broke with a good volume, retested and then it went. Also in I got like other confirmations in Nifty 50. If you see 17,430 this level. So the first time it tried, retraced, second time tried, retraced, and third time it got broke, and there was like 40 points momentum. Same thing happened in Bank Nifty as well. So I thought that it could this has to broken because the markets have been bullish in the last two trading sessions. So I thought after breakout with the retest, and I took trade at 1-3. So 1-3 is this candle, yeah. So breakout, and I should have entered around this candle, but like after a small reddish candle, I just entered for long portion, and my target was somewhere just above this level. So there will be a good momentum, as you can see here. Once this level got broke, there would be a good momentum, so I just kept here, and my stop loss was somewhere around this area. I will show in the futures chart as well. So we entered at 1,337,275, and we got like 1:1 risk reward, and that's it. So you can see after this got broke, now as it broke, it started facing support here. So tomorrow there might be, I mean this level might face support. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you again tomorrow.